Caution. COVID-19 is spreading so fast, so take care of you and your family. Welcome back to Science Funda. Today is the special video, as you know. How to prevent or control sneezing. It is a very easy tricks, you can perform it anywhere. In that tricks no external materials or things are needed. Now I am going to say that tricks. Number 1. As you feel that you are going to sneeze, press and hold the middle part of your nose. In other words, you hold your nose so that the air does not enter or goes outside through your nose and take breath through your mouth. This is one of the most and common tricks, and it is 99.9% sure that it will work. The thing to remember in that trick that you should perform this action before you sneeze, otherwise it will not work. Number 2. It is also a easy trick, as I told in beginning. As you feel to sneeze, rise hands up. And it will work 85% sure. The better thing to do is that try first trick always. I hope that this video will make a bright day in your life. And if you like this video, press like button in bottom and subscribe our channel. And the next video I am going to upload is that what are the precaution can be taken to coronavirus. You can find this video in end of this video, or you can find it in description. It will take few days to upload. It is the video, you must watch it. I will reach to you in another video. Till there, wait. Thank you for all the members who watched this video. And subscribe my channel so that I will upload lot of videos. And if you have any suggestion or question, ask in the comment box. And this is the end of this video. Bye bye. Thank you.